same way that you would speak to a child that comes into this room, that is the same way ideally I would like you to talk with and be with the child that lives within you. The person that lives within you has feelings, has a personality. Some of us have unsafe coworkers, unsafe partners, people who treat us like crap. Guess who also is seeing that? Your inner child.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shae here, and today's video will pretty much consist of me doing things to heal my inner child, whether that's doing things that I've never experienced growing up or simply doing things that I've done and just want to experience again now that I'm more in tune with my emotions and getting older and things like that. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Love y'all. As I get older, I value my peace and my time so much. I mean, being in a quiet environment where it's calm, relaxing, peaceful, that right there to me is top tier. I can be there all day, just chilling in my jacuzzi in my backyard where it's just quiet and I'm just chilling with friends and family if necessary. But however, just as I get older, just my peace is just so important to me because growing up, I didn't have that quiet time. I didn't have peace, you know, because it was just always so chaotic. Anyways, I went to the grocery shop because I had to get some cookies from Publix. I just had to get some. Yeah, I love cookies from Publix. Of course, we got some other groceries, but I also got my free cookies too. So if you don't know, Publix be giving out free cookies, so I can get you some. Spending quality time with my friends is one of my go-tos when it comes to healing my inner child. I mean, spending time with these people that you love, and these people will eventually become the godparents to your children. Just spending time with them just brings me peace. Being able to have these comfort people to talk to and just talk to them about pretty much anything. Like, to me, that's just so big. But here we were on the way to Nikki Beach. I was just enjoying the scenery, looking outside, you guys, just adoring and admiring God's creation. And as I get older, I'm able to admire these things so much more and just appreciate life so much more. Because when I was younger, I never got a chance to really do that. I just seen outside, I was like, oh, it's nice, cool, got back on my iPad or got back on the game or something. But just looking outside and just enjoying and just enjoying myself and the scenery and how beautiful God's creation is. What's up? Can a nigga get a little Is this necklace like too much? Because my shirt already has like necklaces in it. And I'm getting ready, real little bikini top like a real nigga. Yeah, I'm getting ready right now. We're going to watch the Little Mermaid movie. I know it just came out. I have yet to, ooh, that hurts. I have yet to go watch it. One of my locks are thinning and like that junk hurts every time I comb it up. Is the specific one. So the new Little movie Mermaid came out. So my best friend and I were about to go watch it. We have reservations for 4:10. Right now it's probably about like 2 o'clock. I do want to leave about like 3:30 just so we can make it there on time. I really don't know what I want to do with my hair yet, but I'm just gonna comb it out. I was gonna try to do this style because I seen this girl on TikTok. She did this style with like her locks combed out. I literally never worn my locks combed out like out. Like I've combed it out before and posted on TikTok, but I've never like actually worn it out. So I was thinking maybe, but I don't know. It don't really look too good. I don't know. I'm gonna just do the other side and I'm gonna try to see if it looks good. If not, then forget it, but we're gonna give it a try because why not? She had like these two buns and then she had like some hair out in the front. So sis was looking cute and they was dragging her in the comments and I was like, what? That is cute. They don't be knowing what to be talking about. Like people on TikTok, they just need to shut up sometimes. For real, because they was dragging that poor girl in the comments and her locks were actually super cute. So if I post this, they might drag me too, but I don't care. Her locks were like thicker than mine, so they might look different. We're just gonna give it a try. But anyways, you guys, I am very excited for the movie because today is just a day, like it's just one of those days. I'm very excited. This video so far, I actually really like it. Pretty much healing my inner child. And by the way, you guys, like I know I mentioned this probably in one of my voiceovers, but like healing your inner child looks different for everybody, so I want you guys to know that. So what I may do to heal my inner child may look different for anybody else, because also everyone went through different childhood trauma and things of that sort. I might not talk too much about it. Well, I might open up a little bit about it. Like growing up, it wasn't like the easiest, you know? And I feel like nobody had like that perfect childhood. I mean, I feel like some people may have, but I definitely didn't. And I know most of us who are probably watching this video right now probably didn't as well, which is what probably brought you to this video. Honestly, my life has really been consisting of doing things to heal my inner child. Because growing up, I didn't get to do a lot of things. Like growing up, my family didn't have the most money and we weren't in the best circumstances, whether that was financially, mentally, whatever the case may be. And obviously, thankfully, and thanks to God, we're elevating every day, but we weren't there 19 years ago growing up, you know? So, like I've seen a couple people do this video on TikTok, but I haven't seen too many people do it on YouTube, so I was like, you know what, I'm actually gonna do this. My hair's shedding so bad, oh my God. My hair's shedding. I didn't think it was gonna shed that bad. I think it's because I haven't combed that in a minute. I'm so excited for that because the movie is gonna be so nice, I feel like. Everybody been talking about it, and I'm the only one who has like yet to go. I'm gonna go. Like all the kids done went. I've been seeing so many, and I feel like if I spend another day and I don't go, y'all, I'm gonna be so mad because y'all keep posting about it on TikTok. Can y'all give us people who haven't watched it some time? Like what? This may or may not be cute, but if I end up doing this, I might end up putting my curls out. So y'all, the people on TikTok are not giving us a break. They're not allowing us people to go watch it. And I'm like, bro, like what are y'all doing? Y'all are spoiling the whole thing. Like, I feel like I've already watched the whole movie, but like, I just like kind of like erased it out of my mind kind of. And that's another thing too, speaking of erasing things out of your mind, growing up, like I don't remember a lot of things. I'm not gonna lie. Growing up, I don't remember a lot of things, like a lot. And a lot of people said that it's because like sometimes you kind of erase kind of like the most traumatizing memories, which is most likely true. But a lot of things, like my mom would be like, do you remember this? And I'll be like, no. Like, no, don't remember that. Like, I don't. Okay, this is how the ponytail looks. I'm thinking to put it higher. I feel like it looks kind of low here. Like, there's a lot of things I really don't remember in my childhood. It kind of sucks, but it's kind of the truth. Trying new food spots are definitely one of my favorite things to do. So today my best friend and I decided to go to Mama Thai and Donuts. This was so bomb, y'all. We got some donuts and some Korean corn dogs. Literally 10 out of 10. And there was also a boba shop right next to it, so we also went and checked that out. I got some sugarcane boba for the very first time and it was amazing. Everything was 10 out of 10. I literally enjoyed this. Like, this was like one of my favorite things to do. Like, tell me get up and get cute and let's go try a new restaurant. I'll be the first one there. Literally love doing that. It was so bomb. Look at those strawberries and powdered sugar, and the cream inside wasn't too sweet. Listen, 10 out of 10.
Y'all, we're in a car. Oh my god, I don't know why all my batteries are dying. Like, lock in. We're in a car. We're on the way to Hobby Lobby. We actually made a quick stop because my mom came to buy some pistachios, some grilled pistachios. I don't know, child. She buys it from this little boutique thing, and I don't know, she wanted to come here so fast. I'm like, okay, I'll come with you. After that, we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby. I know I haven't been talking much in this video, but I kind of wanted it to be that way. I kind of wanted a diary, kind of like clips in my life, healing my inner child, doing things, you know, to heal my inner child and doing things that I either didn't get to do as a kid or did as a kid, but I want to re-experience and relive again. Just because I feel like as a kid, like, you go to watch a movie, but you don't remember half the movie. You don't really get the true meaning behind the movie, you know. But being older and being able to go watch it again, and especially having a black girl as like the main role, y'all, that is so, like, to me, that's like, that is not to me, but just to a lot of, it's big. Like, it's so big for us because we grew up not having people that look like us on TV. You know what I mean? Like, people we looked up to never looked like us. So it's just amazing to have that now, you know what I mean? But yeah, we're in a car now. We're about to go to Hobby Lobby. The movie yesterday was 1,000 out of 10, you guys. I absolutely loved everything about it. I had chills the whole time, I kid you not. And that's probably one of the first time I've been to a movie. Okay, my mom's phone is blowing up. This is ridiculous. And she left her phone in the car. Anyways, so yeah, it was one of those movies that I didn't fall asleep during, and that is very big, that like I always fall asleep. And not only that, it was just such a great movie. I watched the whole thing from beginning to end. We got there perfect on timing, and it was, I just had chills the whole time. She was singing, I had chills. Everything that was going on, I had chills. And the mermaids in the movie, they were, oh my gosh, gorgeous. Different race, different skin tone. You guys, whoever the production, the production team, y'all did y'all big one, because that was a beautiful, 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 beautiful movie. I loved it. And it was long. It was 2 hours and 15 minutes. It was a gorgeous movie, y'all. Like, probably one of the best movies I watched. It was so good. And we went on a Monday, so, because yesterday was Monday, and it was like barely anybody in the theater, so we had the theater all to ourselves, basically. I was vlogging. It was just so fun. It was just so nice. I just loved everything about it. Like, I want to do some painting stuff today, y'all, because I just been wanting to paint and journal and do all that stuff. So, like I said, this video probably not gonna be as long, because I want it to be like a diary type, so it won't be as long, and it also won't have much talking. This is probably like one of the only talking I'm gonna do in like other times I've talked, but it's not gonna be much. It's more gonna be, I mean, it's gonna have talking, but it's gonna be like more voiceover style. It's not gonna have like much one-on-one talking like this, because I feel like this is more like vlog style. The type that I'm doing is like diary, visuals, solo diaries, you know, that kind of vibe.
This is literally bringing me to childhood 101. Like, look at these little things, y'all. I used to be a pro at these. Like, I was one of those kids that had the whole pack on their arm at school. Like, I had everything. Like, oh my gosh, everything is just so pretty in here. I'm like so intrigued. Like, oh my gosh, look at all this nice stuff. Like, y'all, I'm just in La La Land right now. You guys don't even understand. And look, you can make your own jewelry and stuff now. Like, they are just elevating everything to the top. Okay, now I'm in the jewelry aisle, and I kind of want to get some stuff to make some jewelry. So we're probably gonna do that, because as a kid, I loved jewelry growing up. Like, I loved it. Even sometimes I wasn't allowed to wear it because, you know, school and stuff like that. You know, kids be fighting over jewelry and, you know, all that stuff. So I wasn't allowed to always wear it, but this time around, I kind of want to make like a bracelet or something cute. it for today's video, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of this kind of videos. If you guys want to see more visual and solo diaries and what type of topics you guys would want to see next. It was really a pleasure filming this video. This really was kind of out of my comfort zone because this is different for my channel, but I think I'm starting to like these. And let me know how you guys are starting to like them, and let me know what you guys usually do to heal your inner child. Make sure you guys comment down below, follow me on my socials, and don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Bye y'all. Peace.